What's up, guys, and welcome back to a. Ooh, face me. There you go. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Because I'm having a great day today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. Let's get to 100 subscribers. We are almost there. Just a little less, just a little bit more, guys. We're 19 more away from reaching 100 subscribers. Please help me reach that goal. So please go ahead and like, comment, and do everything down below. Do everything down below. Let's get to 1 subscribers. I got dope content for you guys coming. It just takes some time. Just gonna take some time for it to get there. But well, if life's not great, tune in to make it better, because that's what we're about. And tune in. Alright, so before we get started with today's video, just like a little side note. I do have me a oh my gosh. So I got myself a package. I wanted to unbox it before we got started with today's video. And you know, I think it's a good way to start off the video with a nice unboxing. Well, unpackaging really. It's something slight for the car. It is for the car. Just some slight. It's just some slight. So, no biggie. Wow, so I was gonna get one of these for Chelsea, and well, you guys know what happened with that. So I shouldn't have to explain it, but I got one. I got something. That looks better for the RSX. And her name is Judy, by the way. So that's what we are in packaging now. Jeez, that took a lot of effort. Oh, sick! Oh, that's sick. Even comes with a sticker. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. So, thank you for Cobra Auto Accessories for this. That's actually pretty neat. I was not expecting that at all. Good packaging and everything. They said this thing's gonna be secure no matter what happens. Oh my god. Things in a bag. Just good quality made. So it even gives you some kind of instruction. So yeah, I don't think we're going to be doing this today, but we're not going to be doing it today. But this looks really interesting. Alright. So now to show you guys what I got. I didn't think it was leather either. But I got me a diamond stitched hood bra for Judy. I got me a diamond stitch hood bra. It's gonna look so good with the setup I have in mind. Right now, currently, as I'm making this video, I have a poll going up to see which setup I'm going for, either a track build or track look, or like a little bit of a stance, but I'm gonna have some wheels like Chelsea did, and it's gonna look sick no matter what. So and it just flows well. So it's something I always wanted, was a diamond stitching. They didn't offer for the Accords, but they offered for this car. And that was the first thing I looked up to, and yeah, excited. So back to the video. You guys have been wanting to see some mods for the RSX, and I am happy to say I do have it. I do have them. As you guys just saw, I do have the hood bra. I do have a hood bra, and you guys saw the packaging of that. And I have something else. But I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little excited, and and install it, but I'm going to uninstall it so you guys can so I can show you guys the process, and then I'm going to show you guys a review of my part that I installed. I'm going to give you guys. Alright, so this is what I got for my RSX. Yep. Hold on. Yep. I got me a carbon fiber heavy weighted shift knob from NRG. It was a good purchase. I'm gonna film another clip with oh, there you go. This is my new shift knob, and this thing is, oh my god, it's fucking heavy. Like, this thing is heavy. So like I said, I already went ahead and installed it because I was really excited to get it. So the process of what I went through to take it off, the stock shifter had like 2 clips in it. You can see the clips, like you can see the clips in here, or whatever. Don't want to mess with the boot too much. So you can see that. Pretty much it comes with like 3 separate. It came with 3 different thread pitches or whatever, or holes, and then it came with a screw. You're not gonna be able to. Well, you're barely gonna see it. Like, you see that little shiny thing in there. If you see it shining, or you see the bolt in there, I don't know if you do or not. There's a screw in there that keeps it in place, and then pretty much all you have to do is and then pretty much you have to, like, it forms the thread pitch for you. You just have to, like, just literally put it on there and get the turn. And I'll go ahead and do that now.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
And there you have it. And this is my shift knob. Again, carbon fiber heavy weighted. This is my part of my budget built for the RSX. What I'm gonna do for this year, just keep it budget, keep it simple, keep it detailed. Like this, the interior is looking a little dirty, so it's definitely, it looks OEM. That's why I chose it, and it comes with the notches, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This card is a 5-speed, and it comes with the reverse, and that's why I chose it. Also because NRG, and I also use NRG on the Accord. If you guys remember, those were carbon fiber canards from NRG, and I actually like their products, and it looks like the same weave, so that's actually pretty cool. So like, again, this shifter is very heavy. It feels heavy, but it's saying, like, it's at 1.1 pounds, but I doubt that. Like, this thing is heavy. There's no way this weighs 1 pound. I would say this weighs probably like about 2 or 3, because it's heavy, man. It's heavy. So I'm gonna give you guys a review, and I am going to get something to eat. So I think that's the perfect time to this is the perfect time to do it. automatically is way smoother than what my other one was. Like the other one felt like it was way too lightweight, and I definitely made it harder to I don't know, I wouldn't say get into gear because it wasn't that hard, but it feels way better to it feels a hell of a lot better. Oh god, I dummied that box. But it feels a lot better to get through the gears. Like it feels way smooth. Like it feels really good. And I went this way so because it has a lot of turns and stuff, and it has a downshift or whatever. But yeah, I love this car, man. Especially with the shift knob, it makes it that much better, and I love it. I love it. Yeah, I got balls for going to that gas station. I swear to God, y'all get kidnapped in a heartbeat. Okay, bitch. Alright, so that does it for my review of my new carbon fiber shift knob. Next up, next video I plan on installing the hood bar, and then from there, just get all the small things done, and then this car will be on its way for a big transformation. Not this year though, because I'm saving up for something big right now. That's more important than building this car. Gotta make those big money moves. God damn. I gotta make those big moves right now. And that's what I'm looking like. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a fat thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If your life is not great, tune in to make it better, because that's what we're about. And I will see you guys in the next video. Tune out.